with great pleasure and appreciation, we say thank you to our two debating teams. So thank you very much. And I'm going to hand over to Janet. And I think we should shut the door.
Okay.
Hang on.
Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning. Thank you, Janet.
Thank you all for coming. We've got some sixth formers with us today. I think that's the support for the debaters. Today is being filmed. The whole reason the debate is going on today is really to facilitate the work that's been done by the Year 13s. And they are filming the debate today. And it's all to do with the work that the Year 10s have been doing in school with Miss Skin on basically clearing the beaches, etc. of plastic. Okay, it's with On Dime. So the filming taken on today we will be able to see at a later stage, and the sixth formers will speak to you about it later. Right, the debate today. The use of disposable plastics is destroying nature around us.
Birth defects, miscarriages, and even cancer. Over 299 billion kilograms of plastics are produced each year.
Plastics are necessary and already part of our way of life. But this is not a negative thing. Just because plastics have a negative side when misused by humans, it doesn't mean that they can't do any good. Plastics are now very useful, especially in hospitals, because they produce food, molded into
Point of
any
information.
shape, molded into any shape and are cheap, etc.
Sorry, I just think because hospitals, they need plastic so much, why are they wasting 16 million kilograms of it? Like overall, in one day, 16 million kilograms of plastic are wasted each day in our hospital.
The plastic that is wasted every day is disposable plastics, the ones that wrap up the things that are needed for the hospital. So the plastic I'm talking about here is not. Disposable plastics are also very useful for the packaging of food and medicine. Without plastic, we need to produce a lot more food. Think about it. Greenhouses are covered with disposable plastic, and to maintain food, we need to keep them in special refrigerating systems. We're talking about feeding 7.6 billion people. This would produce an ecologic impact. We would need more chemicals, more territory, more water, more energy, etc.
And in 30 years' time, there will be more plastic than fish. However, the victim of this success appears to be much of Latin Earth, and humans one day could find themselves among them. 79% of the plastic produced over the last 70 years has been thrown away, either into landfill sites or in the general environment. Just 9% is recycled and the rest incinerated like dust. Every bit of plastic produced still exists and will be here with us for hundreds of years. Once in the environment, plastic breaks down into smaller and smaller particles that attract toxic chemicals, are ingested by wildlife on land and in the ocean, and contaminate our food chain. Up to 236,000 tons of microplastics, tiny pieces of broken down plastic, enter our oceans each year. This has researchers around the world worried, as wildlife can be harmed by eating the plastic and the toxins attached to it. So, as if we don't have enough to worry about, there is now growing evidence that food can be contaminated by harmful chemicals from some types of plastic, including fresh meat, cheese, and even some health foods and organic vegetables.
I'm sure you have heard from our opponents that landfills allow pollutants to enter the ground and do harm. But what you won't have heard from them is that according to the SPI, Society of Plastic Industry, only 9% of the waste in landfills is plastic, and over 34% is paper. This means that we throw away 3 times more paper than plastic. 3 times more paper than plastic, which also does harm to the environment. Yet nothing is said about that. I'm sure you also have heard that we should use paper bags instead of plastic. Think for a moment of this plastic grocery bag. They only take up 1/7 of the space that paper bags do in landfills. This means that there are 6 times more paper than plastic bags. These are the top 10 toxic pollutant substances: lead acid, mercury, coal mining, gold mining, lead smelting, pesticides pollution from agriculture, arsenic in groundwater, industrial wastewater, dye industry, and tanneries. But plastics are not in the top 10. It is true that plastics can damage the sea life, but there are worse things like oil spills and radioactive material that influence the marine life in an extreme way. The oil spills can also cause problems on land, like for example, oil coats on the beach that cover every rock and And also, oil seeps into forests, destroying plants and making a whole area unsuitable as a wildlife habitat. There's some things that we use every day, but people don't realize they pollute. For example, sunscreen and lip balm with palm oil. There's now so much propaganda on the use of plastics that we're not informed of all the other things that we use every day that pollute.
Okay. I'm going to invite now members of the audience to ask questions. Yes, Sam?
You were saying that the paper bags take up more space than plastic bags.
No. Paper bags only take up 1/7 of this. Sorry, yes, you were correct.
So paper bags take up more space.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so when it rains and they disintegrate and then they take up more space.
Like still, plastic bags only take up 1/7. And they already took it.
Sam, when it rains, it's not gonna like literally all the paper disintegrates suddenly. Like it's still gonna occupy a lot of space, and not all of the paper is gonna disintegrate.
You said that there's things that are worse. But it's not. You have said things that are worse than plastic. But that doesn't mean that you didn't say that plastic isn't bad. You're saying that plastic is worse.
I'm informing all the other things that also kill animals and like for me do worse than plastics.
So you're saying that plastic is bad, but something is worse.
No, we're just saying that plastics are harmful when misused, and there are other things that that maybe not so known about. They're also plastic, but people are not such a also one.
Sorry, but you were mentioning that lip balm was worse than plastic. Isn't lip balm made of plastic?
What? The outside covering
No,
for
but the inside is, I think the inside is.
Are you sure?
I'm not sure, but I think so. But I don't
Well, I don't agree with you.
Who's that? Ellie.
Question for Paula. You said that when a fish eats some plastic, the hydrochloric acid decomposes it, but the fish first will die, and if another predator comes quick enough, both predators will still die. So
I'm not saying it's good that animals eat plastic. I'm just saying that the stomach acid dissolves plastic. I don't think it's good that it does, but if we eat an animal that has died because of plastic, we're not going to eat plastic. That's what I'm saying.
No, okay. Alejandro.
That
To whom?
to Victor and Dylan. That you say that plastic bags are hurting the environment, but to make a paper bag you have to kill trees.
You may have to kill trees to get paper, but plastic is killing all the fish, so it's the same.
Right, Geordie.
It's so that you're saying that things are worse than plastic, but how much do you use mercury compared to plastic? Like in an everyday use, you touch more plastic and you use more plastic than mercury. So in that scale, plastic should be more harmful to humans.
Okay, how many times a day do you touch incinerated or do you smell incinerated plastic? And it is not only mercury, it's things like in batteries, pesticides, dyes,
Okay, I'm going to take one last question and then we're going to get Sharon to come up and speak. So,
He said that when you make a paper bag, you have to kill trees. You said, but then you also kill fish if you make paper bags. You need trees to be able to breathe. But with fish, people might be able to eat it and stuff, and they might help the ocean. But trees are more important to us, and trees are getting used more and more every single day than plastic. And then fish dying, every fish that dies, there's maybe about 1,000 trees that die at the same time.
When plastic is produced, when you make plastic, it's releasing carbon dioxide, and that harms the plant growth and the plant's nutrition levels. And those plants also give us oxygen. And they're dying because of the manufacturing of plastics. It's not just trees that are giving us oxygen, there's also other plant life.
thank you.
I'm going to start with best speaker and then Eric's going to go on to who won. There was very many points for each person we were discussing. This person was good at this person was good at this. But overall, we believe that the best speaker goes to Maria.
As for best team, again, we had a lot of discussion. There were good things on both teams. For example, this team had a lot of factual basis. This team had a lot of good body language, a lot of use of props. We heard a lot of points of information. We looked at how they answered them. They answered them usually very discreetly, very well. There were some discussions during the points of information. But overall, I think we both believe that the winning team is the against team.